We are not installing our 5-inch membrane. We like to fill in our divot a little bit with some thin set. The floor is going to flow up and over the curb. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We have a very unique bathroom remodel that we're currently working on right now. Beautiful shower. Demo has been complete, rough. Framing has been complete, rough. Electric has been complete. I have not recorded any of that because we're a little behind right now with our projects. And a lot of you probably don't know that recording absorbs a lot of time during the process of a remodel. But let's show you what we've done so far, show you the space, show you the tile. Again, it's gonna be a beautiful, unique shower remodel. We're loving the design. They work with a separate designer and we're digging the choices they made for this shower. So let's check it out. Here is our Schluter Jolly. This tile here, 16 by 32, will be on the left and right sides of the shower. Shower pan tile. Our setup is here. We will be installing a Laticrete full shower system. Let's go show you the space. All right, so here is our space. Great little design to contain the dust. We have an air conditioning unit. We sealed this opening, the bedroom opening, with plastic, and we have this venting out through the window. It'll keep the space nice and cool, keep us working super fast. So what we've done so far, installed a new vent fan, 2 new LEDs, a lot of drywall patching. Now this is plaster, a lot harder to work with than your drywall. So it is slowing us down just a little bit. And again, the reason I have not recorded is because we're a little behind and we just needed to catch up. Here is the shower. We deleted a soffit to open up the space. It is a 36-inch by 36-inch shower. Again, Hydroban board is the backer board and will be the waterproofing. Prefab tray, curb, drain kit. We have our new valve and diverter. Raise the shower head. We're gonna install a chrome trim. All of the finish in this bathroom will be chrome for the shower, for the vanity, and for all of the fixtures. We still need to rip out this floor here, install our Stratamat for our 12 by 24 matte gray floor. This is one of the quickest ways to build a custom niche using a Laticrete system because of the waterproof sealant. We simply frame it. Let me show you here. We frame the opening to accept the tile, and you simply install the pieces. We are going to screw them in, bottom, sides, top, fill the back in as well with adhesive, and then we will run a bead around the perimeter to make sure this is a 100% waterproof niche. We love this method. We are going to be using this method over prefabricated niches because it is quick, it is easy. You can get a custom size to fit the tile that will be going onto the wall to avoid any notches that you may have. We don't like notches. We want fulls, fulls, and fulls. So let's show you how we do this. Here we go. First piece, of course, is your sill. Second piece will be the top. Let's screw these in and then install the left and right, and then glue the back in and show you how we quickly waterproof this. Next step, super simple guys. We glue the back and then waterproof the seams. Quick way to build a custom niche via Laticrete and Laticrete's sealant adhesive, which is 100% waterproof. Gluing the back of it. We like a nice tight fit. Now, we run our bead around the perimeter and around the front for a 100% waterproof niche. We are not installing our 5-inch membrane band. We're not going to band this shower. We're not going to install inside corners with thin set. We are going to use 100% waterproof adhesive sealant, Hydroban adhesive sealant. We trust this. I have confidence this shower will outlive me. You have no buildup. It's a lot quicker for installation. And without the buildup, a lot quicker for tile installation. So here we go. And there you have it. 100% waterproof seal system. We'll let this set up and dry, and then we will do our 24-hour flood test as per usual. Okay guys, things are moving fast. We start tile today. We will install the shower pan tile as well as the bathroom floor tile with Laticrete Stratament uncoupling membrane underneath. The shower is prepped, waterproofed, flood tested, and ready to go. We are unpacking right now Stratamat. This is the tile leveling system we will use. Accufor anti-lippage system. We have our 36-inch Montelite, our favorite tile cutter, small tile cutter, 7-inch dustless IQ by IQ Power Tools, chop saw. So let's empty the van out. Let's show you what the shower and the area and the bathroom look like right now. We're almost finished prepping this floor. We need to scrape off all of the glue and roll out some primer prior to installing our Stratamat. Here's the shower, prepped, ready to go. We like to fill in our divot a little bit with some thin set when we are installing thin shower pan tile. So we're installing a very thin porcelain shower pan tile, 24 by 48 back wall, 16 by 32 side walls. We have our 16-inch by 16-inch niche. It's gonna look like a beautiful shower. So again, we will install our pan tile, prep and clean this, prime it, install our Stratamat, and then we will be installing a 12 by 24 matte gray porcelain tile. Let's get right to it. Finish prepping this, install our floor tile. Here we go. The floor is going to flow up and over the curb.